I spent 7 hours in the garage trying to figure out why my wipers didn't work, when all I had to do was just roll the fuses. What the fuck's going on, dude? Dude! Wait, let me try rolling the fuse actually. Oh, you see, that's the problem. That's actually the problem. You have to roll it sometimes. If you drive a 240, you probably had this problem before, but we have the solution. With this modern fuse holder, you can bring your 240 to the 21st century and replace those old, outdated fuses. And today, I'm gonna show you how to install one. The first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the battery. And we don't need to remove too much of the interior. This mat, the door sill trim, and lift up the door seal. Remove the panel covering the fuse box. There's a clip at the back. Unscrew the old fuse box and put the new one in. Now you just have to move all the cables. Take them one column at a time so you don't get them confused. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. On this lid you can see which fuses go where. You can buy the fuse box and fuses through the link in the description. Now you just have to put everything back. And now you'll never have to roll your fuses again. If you want to watch another video, click here.